quick approach, slow forming. And quick retreat. Quick approach, slow forming. You'll see the tonnage indicator right here go up as soon as it hits some pressure. Slow forming, quick retract. Back gauge is moving to the next step. You can see your ram on its way down and back. Next step on the back gauge. The back gauge has been calibrated. You're on bend number 3, 20-inch back gauge. There's your ram setting. All right, the brake is currently, you can see the ram. We're currently in auto return mode. Dual palms. Speed of the upstroke is on high. And we have a low, medium downstroke. Now take a look here at the controller. You'll see we're on bend number 2. Now bend number 3 and the back gauge is reversing. Back to bend number 1. See the back gauge back to 10 inches. We have our ram moving again. Now you set certain stroke reversal positions right here. This is where you're going to put your different numbers in, your different speed change, and your adjustable stop. Your back gauge is completely controlled through here. We'll go ahead and change this. Alright, we're going to change this speed selector for the upstroke to low. Now you'll see when it goes back up, it's going to be lower, slower, rather than the quick retreat. And the back gauge, of course, is moving through cycles. You notice a quick approach and a slow form, and now we have the slower retreat. We'll put that back up to high again, and the downstroke will change to high medium. You can see a quick approach. And depending on which settings you set, where you need your depth to be, you would change your settings, and you can have it start the second cycle, different forming speeds at different points.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.